Hello, Lafayette Lions. This is Mrs. Galicchio here to show you division word problems. I love word problems. Let's get started. Take your notebooks out and make sure you take really good notes. I'll be asking to hear them. Start with a group for division. We call it the dividend. Then break it into smaller groups, the divisor, of equal size, which is our quotient. In this example, I have 12 green stars here. I am going to break them into 4 groups. You notice I'm putting the exact same amount on each square or rectangle, and I have 12 stars divided by 4, that was my groups, equals 3. There are 3 in each group. Let's try this one. Ariana is sorting her collection of star stickers onto a sticker book. She has 20 stickers and she uses 4 pages of the book. She puts the same amount of stars on each page. How many stars are on each page? So we have our 20 stickers, our 4 groups, and we are going to put 1 sticker on each page until the page is filled, and then we'll see how many are on each page. Luckily, I have mine in arrays, so it is easy to move them over. Okay, so she got 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Let's see if you can do the next one on your own. I hope you've been writing these down. Max is filling 4 piñatas with candy. He has a bag with 36 pieces of candy. He must put the same amount of candy in each piñata. How much candy will go in each piñata? So he has 4 piñatas that he's going to fill with a bag of 36 pieces of candy. I'm going to use a number line to solve this. But which number do I start out on? What's my dividend, the 4 or the 36? Let's see, which one am I dividing up? The candy. Good job. So 36 is my dividend. I'll mark the number line, 36, and then I'm going to subtract 4 until I get to 0. Now I don't start counting 1 right here on my spot. I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a jump. I will keep counting back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, and again, all the way till I'm out of candy. There we go. Now to find out how many pieces of candy are in each piñata, I must count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Did you write that in your notebooks? Let me see. Show it up to the screen. Good job. All right, let's try this one. Samantha saved $54 for a bike. She saved $6 each week. How many weeks did she save for her bike? I'm picturing $54 that she will group into piles of 6 to show each week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 piles, which means 9 weeks. You know what you have to do. Write this number sentence in your notebook and call it out for me. Let me hear it. Good job. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. $54 divided by the $6 for each week. Then we found our quotient of 9 weeks. All right, Philip bought 24 tennis balls. These tennis balls were packaged, 3 in each can. How many cans did he buy? I'm picturing his 24 tennis balls, and they were in cans of 3. So now I need to count how many cans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you need to write this number sentence down in your notebook. Go ahead, call it out to me. Awesome! 24 tennis balls divided by 3 in each can means that he bought 8 cans. All right, Amy has 25 strawberries to use for smoothies. Her recipe calls for 5 strawberries in each smoothie. How many can she make? Here's her 25 strawberries. She's going to take 5 for each smoothie. 1 smoothie, 2 smoothies, 3 smoothies, 4 smoothies, and 5 smoothies she can make. All right, write that number sentence in your notebook and then call it out. I'm listening. Awesome, you did it. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Our dividend was how many strawberries she had in all. Then she divided them into 5s. And then she was able to make 5 smoothies. All right, Ramona has 56 beads. She uses 7 beads to make a bracelet. How many bracelets can she make? So here are her 56 beads. She's going to pull groups of 7 to see how many bracelets she can make. Eight bracelets. Awesome. All right, you know what time it is. You need to write that number sentence that we would use to solve this problem. Start out by writing your dividend, then your divisor, then your quotient. Let's hear it. Good job. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. All right, let's try this one. Kim has 35 wooden logs. She burns 7 logs each night. How many nights can she make a fire? I'm going to use repeated subtraction for this one. So I have 35 logs. I'm going to subtract 7. I get 28. Then I take that 28 and I subtract 7 again. I have 21 now. 21 minus 7 equals 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Now I need to see how many times I subtracted 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5 nights. All right, it's your turn to write that number sentence down in your notebook and then call it out to me. Little louder, I can't hear you. Good job. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. All right, we're going to do our last one. I know, you're so upset. It's okay. Exactly 27 batteries are needed for 9 flashlights. How many batteries does each flashlight need? So I have my 9 flashlights here, and I'm going to take my 27 batteries and put 1 in each flashlight until I run out to see how many batteries are in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to keep going and add another one to each one until I get to 27. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, I'm still not out of 27 batteries. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Awesome. So I used 3 batteries for each flashlight. Okay, you know what you have to do now. Write down the number sentence that I would use to solve this problem. Go ahead, write it down. Let's hear it. Good job. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Now you are definitely ready for the quiz on the next page. Do your best, take your time, and then click the blue submit button when you're ready to submit it to your teacher for a grade. If you need any help or you have any questions, you can always go back and watch any of the videos from this week over again and write down the notes. That will help you on the quiz. Good job.